It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
Kill. Live.
Beleza, galera, hoje eu tô aqui pra mostrar pra vocês um vídeo de Destiny. E bom, galera, prosseguindo o vídeo.
We hear the community's call for new content, and with the April update, the live team is excited to be able to bring new ways to play and experience Destiny.
Making your Guardian more powerful is a huge component to the Destiny experience. So with the April update, the live team raised the light level up to 335.
We've basically made it easier to increase your light level through different sources. So whatever you're interested in, there's something there for you.
Crucible and Trials of Osiris and Iron Banner, Court of Oryx, King's Fall, Nightfall, and Prison of Elders. All roads lead to 335.
Many fights await you.
We have new bounties. We have